Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Great Seal of the United States. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was the Great Seal officially adopted in 1782? Yes, it was adopted on June 20th, 1782. Does the bald eagle on the Great Seal hold a sword in one talon? No, it holds an olive branch representing peace and 13 arrows symbolizing strength. Does the phrase e pluribus unum mean out of many one? Yes, it signifies the unity of the states forming one nation. Is the eagle on the seal facing the arrows to symbolize war? No, the eagle faces the olive branch, showing a preference for peace. Do the 13 stripes on the shield represent the first 13 states? Yes, they symbolize the original 13 colonies. Does the blue section on the shield represent Congress? Yes, it represents unity and the role of the government. Is the unfinished pyramid on the reverse side of the seal meant to symbolize weakness? No, it represents strength and the continued growth of the nation. Does the all-seeing eye above the pyramid symbolize divine guidance? Yes, it represents the idea that the nation is guided by a higher power. Does annuit coeptis mean a new order of the ages? No, it means he has favored our undertakings. Is the Great Seal only used on currency? No, it appears on official documents, passports, and government symbols. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.